and then you've got his two assistants. Both of his assistants make the separate bits of the Saggar. So this is called a maul. It's a piece of oak, basically. It's very heavy, if you want the feel of that. Yeah. So he's got his first assistant who will use these cast iron moulds to dictate the shape and the size and the depth of the base of the Saggar. So he gets the wonderful job title of a Saggar maker's bottom knocker. Because he knocks flat the clay to make the bottoms of the Saggars. So, let me get my clay open. So I use sand to stop everything sticking. Same as when you use flour when you're cooking, and then this is the good bit. So you bash your clay out to about 1 centimetre thick, and I'm going to make the sides first. So this job would be done by the frame filler. So he would basically bash out a whole sheet of clay and then cut it into strips. So they're going to be my sides. So actually this does a bit of the work for you because you're kind of letting it drop, so the weight of it is actually flattening the clay. And then you get one of these. Put it on. Too much sand. Wooden mould goes on top. See that the base is much bigger because you're going to wrap this clay round. So what I need is about 1 inch all the way around. This is why they used to use those metal formers, but I actually found it really hard to beat the clay out in them. So I prefer to do it freehand. And then got a tool like this called kiln, and all you're going to do, start with the seam, and you're just going to drag this extra clay up. Because a Saggar is designed as a stackable container, so it's important that it's flat, because when they stand on top of each other there needs to be no gap, because that's how the soot and the smoke will get in. And then the next step bit of refining. So I'll try and get sit so you can see what I'm actually doing. So, I'm going to try and keep it nice and straight. It has a tendency, because you joined it, has a tendency to bulge out at the bottom. I like to just put a little rim. This stops the clay. When the clay dries and it sticks to this, it kind of, if it sticks, when you lift it, it will crack and you'll end up with sort of sharp edges. So doing this stops there being any sharp edges. To get the top straight, I have this very technical nail in a stick. It works like a charm. So basically, what I do is and that is basically how you make a saggar.